this is exactly an alternative place for the liveaboard to make a night dive. Before some boats is crossing the Strait of Gobel on the way back, otherwise after the cross, before they're starting to dive around Ras Mohammed, because we're just 20-25 minutes away from Marine Park. So tomorrow morning, as you are so familiar with the dive site itself, it's not going to be a big briefing, it's going to be very short considering to the plan. That's all. Tomorrow morning we're still diving around Ras Mohammed, but tonight, very easy. Some of you went snorkeling, have seen the most easiest dive spot you can find. There is no current underneath the boat at the moment. And along the port side, you could see two Ergs, two coral formations. Actually, we're standing like this. The north is this direction, the sunset happened in the west. Okay, our boat is in the front of Sea Serpent is in the back of us. We're staying closer to the bigger Erg. Sea Serpent is closer to the smaller Erg. So we divide the Ergs between two of us. Sea Serpent is taking the smallest one, and we're taking the biggest one. So we have got two bow lines attached from our bow section straight ahead to the middle of the Erg. Okay, very easy. We jump from the back of the boat, swim at the surface towards the reef. Between our boat and we put already the flat light, so the sandy bed and the slope of the reef, which one is the eastern side, is going to be covered with the sun or with the flat light. Okay, once you reach the reef, you're starting to descend. You will find yourself at a depth between 10, 12 meters, depends on the angle. Wherever you're more eastern, northern east, it's shallower. Then wherever you come a little bit southern, then it's the depth is changing from 12 to 14, from 14, 16, 18. So wherever you want to go away from the reef, I wouldn't recommend you, because the depth is changing, quite straight. I wouldn't say it's so gentle, but quite an angle. The hard coral formation slope goes down deeper than 20 meters. We have done already 3 dives over 20 meters of depth. Enough. Maximum depth for a night dive is 16 meters, please. No need to go deeper, because tomorrow we go for the deep dive, Ras Mohammed, then Dandreven 30 meters, then Tissergorm another 26, 28 meters. So you should take care of yourself, and please stay at the maximum depth, 16 meters. Keep follow the Erg with the right hand side. Otherwise, if some of you want to avoid the crowd, you can take the reef on the left hand side and just make a slowly, very slowly, gentle cruise around. If you move slowly and cover each inch of the coral slope, you can find definitely a lot, because some of you have seen the octopus, they are not running away. The fish, actually looking for the easy meal, like a moray eel, scorpion fishes, get more active, come closer on the side where the light is shining. Okay, maybe you'll get a chance to find the sleeping napoleon or sleeping turtle, which one usually lives here and comes at night around those Ergs. Everything's still possible at the sandy bed, the spotted rays, of course. There is still no current, good chance for the Spanish dancers, because when there's no current, Spanish dancers is really coming out of the reef and the shallow water between 6-10 meters of depth. Sometimes put your torch out in the blue. Maybe it's dancing already, or maybe something big is passing by, because we are close by. We're still washing with the Strait of Gobel. It's meaning open ocean still around, which one gives us a chance to see some things really unacceptable, like anything. Okay, so very gentle cruise around. If you're doing your fast, make a second cruise at the shallow water. Just enjoy those Ergs as much as you can. Once the 40 minutes time of the pass, you could see all the time the light from the boat. All the time it's gonna shine from one side, it's gonna give the light on. So once you see you swimming towards the light, and you will find yourself at our boat. No way you're gonna miss it, because we're only the boat very close to the Erg itself. Okay, so feel free just to take your body, make your own plan to go reef on right or reef on left, and just take a slowly cruise around. And after maximum 45 minutes, please everybody come back, because the rest of the group is waiting for the dinner. Yeah? It's time already.
Dive time 45 minutes.
7. Okay? Clear with everything?